A new health facility in Lafayette is hoping to raise awareness of eating disorders. The owners say there's nothing like the Cala Wellness Center in the greater Lafayette area. The facility provides outpatient treatment for adolescents and adults with eating disorders. Joining us now is co-owner Lisa Worth to talk more about the center and how this is helping our community. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me, Krista.
So this is really an exciting time. There's nothing like it in our community.
Nothing like it.
Tell us a little bit about the mission behind this.
Okay, so the mission behind this is I'm actually a licensed clinical social worker, and I've been in private practice and in a consulting relationship with Purdue for years and years, working and specializing with eating disorders. And with Renee Tilt, who's a dietitian in town in her own business, we coordinated cases and found that time after time, most of our clients were needing to be referred to Chicago or Indianapolis for a more intense level of treatment due to the severity of this diagnosis.
But so now we're going to be able to treat them right in our community.
Evidence-based, stellar treatment right here in the greater Lafayette community to treat eating disorders.
And we were just talking, you really won't know the need for this until it really gets off and running.
Right.
But how important is it to have something like this in our community, especially with these disorders that sometimes, yes, like you said, often get looked over?
Yes, yes. It is important to be in the home, the family support, being in your own community, having your own PCP involved. People would much rather get good treatment in their community instead of traveling 3 times a week, 2 hours each way. I mean, it's just really an important piece to be able to offer within our greater community.
Sure. And how does it work? If someone out there is watching this morning and might be suffering from an eating disorder or might think that they do,
yes,
how does that work? Do they just come on in and see you guys?
They come on in. We have a website to start, just if somebody wants to do some research. It's www.calacounseling.com with 2 L's. And they can contact us that way. There's a phone number, contact information. We're also offering an open house on Tuesday, September 29th from 5 to 7. Welcome to the community. We're located at 164 Sagamore Parkway West in West Lafayette, right next door to Goodwill and in the Vintage Square complex. So anybody's welcome to stop by, visit, check out what we're doing with the intensive outpatient level of care for eating disorders.
Okay, Lisa Worth, thank you so much for joining us. We'll of course have all that on our website, WLFI.com. Thank you.
Thank you.